Well, this is getting a bit frustrating now. I was hoping it was going to be a quick fix, but the only way we can get in there to check the other end of the wiring is to actually take this face off. You have to dig it out. I expect it's well glued in. But that's the only way we can get to the other side of the screws, the heads of the screws. There, and over there, to actually get this apart so we can get in there. Oh, this is annoying. I'll work my way round with the knife, because we'll see if we can cut the glue or release the glue that's behind it all the way round. I've been all the way round and released it. I'm just double checking now. I'm rather hoping we can slide it over the hands like that. There you go. It was 4 bits of sticky tape. And then we need to undo them so we can get in there. Ooh, they're done up a bit tight. Oh gosh. Oh, got one to move. Two. Three. Just giving them a bit of a twist in the opposite direction, and that's freed them off. 4. I probably should have pulled the hands off to avoid damaging them. I expect they're just a push fit. Okay, we're here now. I'll get into that plastic box. Undo those 2 screws. I got a nasty feeling. Yeah. we get to the point where we want to separate the plastic box, we've actually got to take the whole thing apart. And then all of those are going to fall out. Oh, I really didn't want to spend this much time on this. I've got it on that bit of wood so that the central shaft is in a hole in the wood, so it's all sitting level. I haven't been able to remove that second hand at the moment. I think, yeah, everything's going to fall out now. Did that start moving then? It did, didn't it? Well, it may have just been coincidence. Right, I've gone handheld for now. So, second hand and its associated gear is sitting still in that frame because I didn't remove the second hand from the end of it. The rest of the gears are all sitting where they should be at the moment. And my understanding, if I can just find a pointy stick or something, is that if it was running, that one there is the one that would be driven by the stepper in here. So we'll see if we can get this apart, and then that's probably going to be the end of it, because I doubt whether we can do anything once we've done that. You can just see the white gear in there. That's the one that I think is driven by the magnetic pulses. I'll see if I can get this plastic cover off. Well, plastic cover doesn't want to come off conveniently in half, so that gear is going to have to come out the way, or it will come out the way as I lift it up, as I lift the plastic container up. Right, so this is the bit that should be driven by the battery or powered by the battery. And that little white gear there is the one that should be moving. And it's not. So can we get this apart? Oh, yes. Oh, that's all going to come apart. Oh, dear. Here we go. Another bit where I don't want to do it. That's going to come apart. That little white gear is going to fall loose. Okay. Well, under there, there's a coil that is energized by that. There's that white gear that I'm talking about. I think that's sitting on a magnet. Let's go close. Right, the black bit under that white gear, I think, is a magnet. When you energize the coil, it causes that magnet to turn about 90 degrees or slightly less than 90 degrees. And that's what drives the whole circuit. That should be twisting backwards and forwards as the magnetic pulse goes through. And I think we found our problem. The other end of that black wire's come loose. Right. Oh dear. Okay, I'll clean the end of that off, solder it back on that tag, and see what happens. Right, I'm going to replace that bit of black wire with another piece that's a bit fresher. I should be able to desolder it. Okay, we've replaced that bit of wire. Well, there's definitely a bit of magnetism in there now. That thing's springing across. Tuck me a bit of black wire out of the way. Right, can we get this the right way round? Yes. It's got to sit in there. No, I'm not seeing movement. I thought we'd done it, and again, it looks like we haven't. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.